Real quick markup on what we're looking at for EURUSD. This is on the 4-hour timeline. As you can see, there has been two really key levels that it's bounced off of. We're looking we're looking back at the beginning of the year here for when this first started. This was a trade that we took in February. Right here is about when we got in. This is actually supposed to be right in here, that area. Anywho, we rode this down all the way, came back down to our key level of price. We bought back up. This was the swing trade that we sent out in cloud, right? Came all the way back down, and here we are at this key level again. This is why we're still holding EURUSD. I think over the next month or so, 2-3 weeks, whatever, we're going to see a potential push up, and we're talking, this is 500 pips right here or whatever. So really huge swing potential on a trade that we've been looking at for a bit. That's why we keep having the bias that we do with EURUSD. Obviously, we caught this buy right in here, came back down to finally touch this level down in here. With news and how the dollar has been sort of reacting, we're not 100% sure on what's going to necessarily happen next. You never really can be, but I think we've got a really good position here for EURUSD to catch the swing all the way back up. These are the majority of trades that I've been looking at, just to give you guys a heads up to kind of have an idea where my headspace is at. When we were doing the VIP, the free channel only, that wasn't a paid service, so we were just sending out tons and tons and tons of trades. The goal for us moving forward is to still send out a lot of trades, which we certainly have. We've done 12 trades this week. We've only lost 2 of them, so that's the big thing. It's like we're really trying to work on overall win percentage, and also at the same time, we're really trying to make sure that we're grabbing like the best possible trades that we can. So definitely expecting that to come back up to this price level at some point. Obviously, that's the bias. Depending on the reaction of the dollar and how all that sort of plays out, will be really telling on whether or not this move is actually going to occur. So this is sort of what we're shooting for right now, is a full retrace. It's not going to be pretty. It ain't going to just go straight up, right? Like, that would be nice, but that's unlikely. The idea is to get the position down here on the bottom so we can sort of ride it up. So we hit TP1, came back down. So I think that was like 20 pips, 22 pips, something like that, 25 pips. So we're on this trade now, and obviously, at this point, it should be risk-free for everybody. We're hoping to see it break out and come back up and touch our previous price zone that it dropped from. So that's what we're looking at for EURUSD. Just kind of reviewing a couple of the open trades that we still have right now, because I think that each of them certainly have the potential to go pretty far, a little further than we're at now, for sure. So just keep an eye out on these. We're going to keep updating you guys on both EURUSD, USD/JPY. I think both have a potential for a massive swing trade. So that's what we're looking at on there. Hope you guys enjoy. If you have questions, shoot me a message. Let me know. Thanks.